Of the endangered missing person alert system. The James County Sheriff's Office is looking for a missing person and is believed to be in danger. He is a 77-year-old male with gray hair and was last seen wearing a green thermal shirt, jeans, black coat, tan, and white Crocs. He may be suffering from dementia and may be confused.
HH54 advisory tone goes hard.
2012 Ford F-150 with Idaho plate D907.
I was trying to get schoolwork done.
Any information on the whereabouts of the
I'm kind of sick, but Jesus.
Immediately or call Gem County Sheriff 208-3653521.
Yep, there it is. A local area emergency for National Weather Service Boise. I hope that person gets found.
Alert system. The Gem County Sheriff's Office is looking for a missing person.
Yep, there it is.
Believed to be in danger. He is a 77-year-old male with gray hair and was last seen wearing a green thermal shirt, jeans, black coat, tan, and white Crocs. He may be suffering from dementia and may be confused.
Holy shit, that was delayed.
The person may be traveling in a 2012 Ford F-150 with Idaho plate D907.
That was delayed as hell.
If you have any information on the whereabouts of this missing person, please contact 911 immediately or call Gem County Sheriff 208-3653521. It's 9 a.m.
That was delayed as fuck.
Temperature 28 degrees. Dew point 21.
That was really delayed. Wow.